What's up everyone, it's Jan Bor's new video, and in this one I will show you how I photoshoot with fantastic Elena. We already shoot it together and this one will be special again. Let's do this. I will jump here with you.
Mamma mia!
Jesus Christ, it almost started crazily. And I will do just one thing.
My heart.
Your heart, my heart.
I don't even want to think about how you feel.
Okay, let's see. Okay. You remember from last time. Very sexy. Just seduce the camera, seduce me. This is the thing. Come on, I saw those photos. You can do it. So imagine yourself in some movie for adults. You know, be a mask. Because this is really nice. I was telling last time the client that how to understand, and she was doing nice poses, but it was like I look good like this and that. But it was missing this. It was a nice picture.
Yeah.
That's it. I said like, what gets to the nice picture, something more, is exactly your attitude I can feel.
Yeah.
Because the people who are watching at it, even you like, yes, here I look like, because maybe you also remember this feeling, you know, and it's kind of a thing. Not for everybody, but I don't know how else to describe. So, I know it's a little bit dirty here, but you can feel it always. You can sit here, more likely the opposite way with the back, and you can kind of use it. One leg down, one leg up.
Okay.
You can play it, and we can find the perfect position for the light also. Yes. Let's do a test.
Like that picture.
Good. So focus on the camera. Yes. This is super. You can put both legs up.
Oh my god, I love it!
You have nice lips. Use them. And you can like smile a bit with this kind of something. I have something in my head, you know, something fishy. Let me just check what we have. This looks cool. Let me do different shots and just change me the positions. Yes, that means that you're changing the position of your legs. You're like this, then you're more forward, supporting, not supporting. That's the classical routine. How does it look? Wow. Go a little bit, don't go like this completely, be more forward. And the hair, you put on the opposite side, just because of the light to shine on your skin. Otherwise it creates shadow, you know. This is so vibey. I love it. You are amazing model. I love it. Sure. Show me the meaning.
Oh my goodness. It has such a mermaid feeling to it.
Yes, but this is of course because you have orange hair, you know, now, kind of.
Mariel.
Change me the legs, please. If you can, slowly, be careful. Yes, leave it down. It goes in your mouth? Let's have it like this. I will go basically for her, exactly. Change me just the head position.
Oh my god, I love them. Oh, That's so pretty.
Okay, pretty girl. Let's change. I think we have it. It's a lot. This I really like. I think maybe this is some power. Magic. Abracadabra. Chari mari fuk, as we would say. Chari. Mari. Fuk. This is what we say for abracadabra in Czech. Chari mari fuk. And I think you can be a little bit like sexy, but you can be also a little bit like weirdy. Because you have very nice dress, like very elegant kind of. But you can be the opposite of elegance at some point, but not dirty. I mean more like imagine that you will be dressed like punk, and you can do like punk stuff.
Okay.
But you are doing it with this dress. Like it doesn't kind of correspond what you're wearing. For example, you can be like this. You can be kind of like tough, tougher, more stronger than being soft.
Okay.
That's maybe the explanation. No? This.
Yeah, this is like so different than what I'm wearing. Yeah, I got it.
Basically, I don't know. Like you can be very elegant and be like very girlish, but maybe if you're not, you're more like punk concert rock star. It's good, and you can also use the chair. So if you dance around it, you can stand. You can use it. You can put it oppositely, sit on it oppositely, like this.
Yeah, I was thinking of this.
And be like a little bit more dirty, let's say, but nothing. It's going through. So you can play with it.
I was thinking of this.
So don't be worried to.
And the dress has its upper that it can stay like this and not show things.
How much you can. Yes? Super. Just a close up how you're smoking. Just want to see what it does. This is too dark. I will use this. Oh my god, this is perfect. Better. Stay like that. Push this lower exactly like this. I think this is the maximum.
Same position.
Same positions what you did, but you can now be that experimental, and I will try to find it without changing the light. So we know that the light goes from here. What we can have, because I also would like to have a little bit different background. Because I cannot see basically anything. Only when there is a light, for example, in the building, can kind of tell me the depth. Otherwise, it's just black. Yeah. Wow, 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 wow. You don't know what's coming. Super. Turn on me a little bit. You can change the chair like to spread the legs over it, how we were doing in the beginning. Yeah. This can go a little bit forward and do like really like Yes, because and if you can, yes, you have it on the toe, to be as much prolonged in your legs. Yes, how you were before was better. Or do it just with one, but try the other one to be that you are like kind of trying to go high. What? I'm waiting. This is so cool. No, how you are like that with the legs, keep it, and the body how you are on me a little bit. Just turn on me the head. Super. I think we have it. Alright, boys and girls, that was another photo shooting with Elena, and I really enjoyed it. I hope you like the images, that you learn something new, experiment, do your stuff, fail, 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 do something nice, because without photo shooting you cannot do anything, so it doesn't really matter. There is actually nothing like really a failure. So good luck.